Have you ever heard about dunders in Python? Today I brought one basic program to understand the dunder variable. Dunders are nothing but basically these are the double underscores that can be prefixed and suffixed before the variables and methods. Basically, dunder methods are called magic methods. Here I'm just using the dunder variable here to print the current directory of the current program. Here I'm using OS library to print the current directory of the working program. Here you can see the program, how the program is written here. And when I print the dunder variable and I print the path as well, you can see the output in both of the cases. When we print the dunder variable, it is printing the complete file name of the program and location of the directory of the working program. This is